Hey guys, Sarah here with this week's Insider, here to give you a few tips on cleaning and lasering our red cake pan lids. When placing in the laser, it can look level to the eye, but even that slightly off level can make a difference in when leveling. Another thing with the red is to slow down your laser just a little bit, just to give it a little bit more time to burn off that powder coat, but you don't want to go too hot as the powder coat is going to burn back onto that aluminum, or you can start getting that rainbow effect onto the aluminum beneath. Now when it's done lasering, it is going to have that residue. So I'm going to use our LA Awesome on here. Now I'm going to come with a magic eraser, dip it in some hot water, squeeze it out. Then I'm going to go in a circular motion with the LA Awesome and the magic eraser to help get the rest of that residue off. Then I'm just going to wipe it clean here. And now you know.